Hey everyone and happy Diwali. The festival of light is here, and what better way to celebrate than by sharing stunning photos with your loved ones. Today I am going to show you how to transform your regular pictures into dazzling Diwali masterpieces using the super easy and powerful Nano Banana image editor powered by Gemini. Go to gemini.google.com and click on tools and click on create images. Click on the plus icon to upload your image. I'm going to use my image for now and click on upload. After your image got uploaded, just type your prompt. So I have created 20 prompts, 10 for each boy and girl. You can get all those prompts from the link in the description. Now click enter. It will take some time to generate. So as you can see, it has created a beautiful image of me. It keeps the face consistent. Isn't that incredible? In just a few seconds, our ordinary photo is now bursting with Diwali spirit. Look at these beautiful details. The possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different prompt styles and elements to create truly unique Diwali greetings. To help you get started, I have put together a list of 10 amazing prompts for each boy and girl that you can use or adapt for your own pictures. Remember, be creative and have fun with it. Once you are happy with your creation, simply click on the download button to download your image and share it with your friends on social media like Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp. Now let's try generating an image of a girl. So you have to follow the same process. Just upload the image of a girl. For example, your image. I am taking this image. Once your image is uploaded, type your prompt. I have given this prompt. Place the girl in an elegant Diwali scene wearing a graceful sari with a background of soft glowing lanterns and a starry night sky with distant fireworks. Now hit generate and wait for the Nano Banana to generate your image. So as you can see, it has generated the image. The phase it kept is consistent, and in this way you can use these prompts. I have given all these prompt list in the description. You can join my Telegram channel and get all those prompts for free. So go ahead and light up your Diwali with personalized AI generated image using Nano Banana. Don't forget to like this video, comment and let me know what you have created, and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Happy Diwali to you and your family.